Hello, everyone, and welcome back to The Next English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Molly.
And I'm Matt. Hello, Molly. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Matt. The sun is shining and I have my cup of tea. It's a good day. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm really excited for our topic today. It sounds like a big one.
It is. But before we start, everyone, please remember to give this episode a like.
Yes, just click that little thumbs up button. And if you are new to our channel, welcome. Please subscribe and share this episode with your friends. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, are you ready, Matt?
I am so ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about a big challenge for many English learners. We are talking about how to stop translating in your head.
Ah, yes, translating. I remember this feeling. You hear something in English.
Yes, and then your brain goes, wait, what is that word in my language?
Exactly. You think about it in your first language, and then you try to find the English words to answer.
It's a lot of work for your brain, isn't it? It's like a 3-step process. Hear the English, translate it to your language, think of an answer in your language, and translate it back to English.
I'm tired just thinking about it.
Me too. And what is the problem with that? Why is it a challenge for learners?
Well, the biggest problem is that it's very, very slow.
Oh, yes, so slow. While you are busy thinking and translating, the conversation is moving on.
Exactly. Someone asks you, "How are you?" And by the time you've translated the question and your answer, they're already talking about something else.
It makes conversations difficult. You feel like you are always one step behind.
That's a good way to say it. And there's another problem too. Sometimes the words are not the same in both languages, are they?
That's a great point. One word in English might have 3 different meanings, or a word in your language might not have a perfect single word translation in English.
Ah, I see. So if you translate word for word, your sentence can sound a little strange.
Very strange. And sometimes it's just grammatically incorrect.
So translating in our heads is slow, and it can cause mistakes.
Yes, exactly. The goal is to think in English. The goal is to make a direct connection.
A direct connection. I like the sound of that, like a direct road from your brain to your mouth, and it's all in English.
That's the one. No little detours to another language.
Okay, so we know this is a big challenge, but we are here to help. We have solutions, right?
Of course we do. We have some simple, easy tips to help everyone start thinking in English.
I am ready. What is tip number 1?
Tip number 1 is to start small. Very, very small. We'll start with just single words.
Single words. Okay, what do you mean?
Look around the room you are in right now. What do you see?
I see my desk. I see a lamp. I have a pen in my hand.
Good. So when you look at your pen, try not to think of the word for it in your first language. Just look at the object and think the English word pen.
Ah, so I see the object and my brain thinks the English word pen directly.
Yes, you see the object and you think the English word. Look at your door. Think door. Look at the window. Think window.
I get it. It's like I'm putting little English labels on everything in my world.
That's a nice way to put it. You are your own English labeling machine.
I like that. So I can walk around my house, kitchen, table, chair, cup.
Yes, do this every day for just 5 minutes. Look at things and say the English word in your head. This builds that direct connection we talked about.
The object is now connected to the English word. There's no middleman.
Exactly. No translation is needed. It's a very helpful first step. Part 3, tip number 2, is to use pictures. Everyone loves pictures.
How do pictures help?
You can use flashcards. You know those little cards for studying?
Oh, yes, I know flashcards.
On one side of the card, you have a picture. For example, a picture of a bright yellow sun.
Okay.
And on the other side, you write the English word sun.
Ah, I see where this is going. So you look at the picture of the sun and you think the word sun.
Yes, you don't write the word in your language. You just connect the image to the English word.
That's a good idea. It's the same idea as the objects, but I can carry the cards with me.
Right. You can learn about animals. A picture of a dog, a picture of a cat. You can learn food. A picture of an apple, a picture of a banana.
The picture helps your brain remember. An apple looks like an apple in every country. It's universal.
Yes, exactly. So you connect that universal image directly to the English word. It's a very fun way to build your vocabulary without translating.
You could even make it a game. See how many pictures you can name in 1 minute.
That's a great idea, Matt. Making learning fun is so important. Okay, so we have naming objects and using pictures. These are for single words. What about sentences?
Sentences are harder.
So, we start with very, very simple sentences. That's tip number 3.
Simple sentences. How simple?
Let's start with your feelings. How do you feel right now?
I am very happy right now.
Good. So you feel this emotion, this happiness, and you just think the English sentence, I am happy.
So I connect my feeling directly to the English phrase.
Yes. Don't think, how do I say I am happy in my language? Just feel the feeling and connect it to the English phrase, I am happy.
I like that. So if I feel tired later, I can just think, I am tired.
You got it. Or when your stomach makes a noise.
I can think, I am hungry. My stomach makes a lot of noise, so this will be good practice for me.
Me too. And you can do this for simple actions, too.
Actions? Like what?
When you drink a glass of water, think to yourself, I am drinking water.
As I'm doing it.
Yes, at that exact moment, you are lifting the glass, you are drinking, and in your head, you hear the English sentence, I am drinking water.
Wow. That's like a little narration of my life in English.
It is. When you open a door, think, I am opening the door. When you sit down, think, I am sitting down.
This makes so much sense. You are connecting the action to the English phrase. Again, no translation.
You see the pattern, right? It's all about creating those direct links in your brain. It feels a little strange at first, but it becomes natural with practice. Part 5. Tip number 4. Use simple visual input.
Okay, so we have words and we have simple sentences. What else can help us? What is tip number 4?
Tip number 4 is a fun one. Watch and listen to a lot of simple English.
Like this podcast.
Yes, like this podcast, but also things with pictures, like cartoons for children.
Cartoons. That's a good idea. Why are they so good for learning?
Because they are very visual. You can see what is happening. The characters say simple things like, hello, let's go, or look, a ball.
And you see the ball on the screen.
Yes, so your brain connects the sound of the word ball with the picture of the ball.
You don't have time to translate because the story is moving. You just watch, listen, and understand from the pictures.
This is a nice passive way to learn. You are just enjoying a cartoon, but your brain is working.
It is. The same is true for simple English songs, especially songs for children that have actions like head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. That's a classic, and it works. You remember the words because you are doing the actions.
So find a simple cartoon you like or some fun children's songs. Watch them for 10 or 15 minutes a day. It's not studying, it's fun. And it trains your brain to understand English directly.
Part 6. Tip number 5. Be patient and kind.
I like all these tips. They are very practical. But Molly, is it easy to do this? To stop translating?
That's a very important question, Matt. And it brings us to our final and most important tip. Tip number 5.
Okay. What is it?
Be patient.
Be patient.
Yes. Learning to think in a new language is like learning to walk. At first, you might fall down. You will make mistakes. It feels hard.
That's true. You don't just stand up and run a marathon on the first day.
No, you don't. You take one small step, then another. It's the same with thinking in English. You have been translating in your head for a long time. It's a habit.
And it's hard to change a habit.
It is. So, you need to be patient with yourself. Don't get angry if you start translating. It's okay. It's normal.
So, if I'm talking and my brain translates, I shouldn't think, oh, I'm so bad at English.
No, never. You should just notice it and say, oops, I translated. Okay, let me try again with a simple word. You must be kind to yourself.
Kindness is important in learning. So, just a little bit every day. 5 minutes of naming objects, 1 cartoon.
Yes, small, consistent steps. Progress is more important than perfection. Every time you connect an object to an English word directly, that's a small victory.
I like that. A little victory every day. And what about mistakes?
Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are how we learn. They are not bad. They're our teachers. They show us what we need to practice more.
So mistakes are our friends.
Yes, Matt. Mistakes are our friends. They help us get better.
Wow, this is all great advice. So let's do a quick review of the 5 tips to stop translating.
Good idea. What was tip number 1?
Tip 1, start small with single words. Look at objects and think the English word. Chair, table, book.
Good. And tip number 2?
Use pictures. Use flashcards to connect an image, like an apple, directly to the English word.
Excellent. Tip number 3.
Think in simple English sentences. Connect your feelings, like I am happy, and your actions, like I am drinking water, to the English phrases.
Good job. What about tip number 4?
The fun one. Watch and listen to simple visual English. Cartoons and children's songs are good for this.
Yes. And the final, most important tip?
Be patient. Be kind to yourself. It's a slow process, and it's okay to make mistakes.
That's it. You summarized it very well, Matt. It's all about practice, patience, and making those direct connections in your brain.
And over time, that direct road in your brain gets bigger and stronger, and thinking in English becomes easier and more natural.
It really does. And your conversations will be so much better. You'll be able to listen and respond much faster.
That's the goal for everyone listening, I think, to have real, natural conversations.
Yes, exactly. And it all starts with one word, your pen.
My pen. I'm looking at it now and just thinking, pen.
That's great. You're doing it. This was a fantastic topic. Thank you, Matt.
Thank you, Molly, and a big thank you to all of our amazing listeners for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope these tips help you on your English journey.
Please don't forget to subscribe to The Next English so you don't miss our next episode.
And if you like this episode, please share it with a friend. And we have a question for you.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us one thing you see right now. Look around you and write one English word in the comments.
Oh, I love that. Is it a window? A phone? A plant? We are so excited to read your answers.
It will be so much fun. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Keep practicing and be patient.
Yes, you are doing a great job. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.